Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Beginner's Guide to Basic Built-in Functions in Python. Introduction. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language with a rich set of built-in functions that make coding easier and more efficient. In this tutorial, we'll explore some fundamental built-in functions in Python and provide code examples to illustrate their usage. Print function. The print function is used to display information on the console. Len function. The len function returns the length of a given sequence. Input function. The input function is used to take user input from the console. Type function. The type function returns the type of an object. Int, float, and str functions. These functions are used for type conversion. Max and min functions. The max and min functions return the maximum and minimum values in a sequence, respectively. Sum function. The sum function calculates the sum of elements in a sequence. Range function. The range function generates a sequence of numbers within a specified range. Conclusion. These are just a few examples of the many built-in functions that Python provides. Familiarizing yourself with these functions is essential for any Python programmer. As you progress in your Python journey, you'll encounter and explore more advanced built-in functions that cater to specific needs. Happy coding! ChatGPT.